Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. We have been talking about postponement of NEET PG exam, and you might have heard from multiple sources that NEET PG exam for 2021 might get postponed or delayed because on the multiple social media network you might have seen this kind of debates or discussion. But now on the date of 9th April 2021, NB has made some clear notification from their side, and they have published conduct of NEET PG 2021 with COVID-19 appropriate behavior, which says that exam is not going to postpone and exam will get conducted on the same date, and very negligible chance for it to get postponed if something goes very out of the expectation. So this is official notification came from NB, and they have given 9 guidelines which need to be followed, and I will explain all the guidelines in this video. In the recent 1 week, last 7 days, we have seen exponential rise in the COVID-19 cases, and due to that rise in the COVID-19 cases in multiple states, we have observed lockdown being implemented, as it happened last year during a NEET PG counseling process after examination had happened. But what will be happening now regarding exam? Exam is not going to cancel, it's not going to postpone, it will happen on 18th of April only. So talking about the first guideline, same state center. The candidate who had selected others option in the test city because they couldn't find the test city available in their home state, those candidate will be allotted their test cities in the same state, and it will be nearest to their correspondence address. And for this purpose they have increased the number of test centers, so we assure that your test centers will be in the same state. Now talking about the second guideline from NB is related to COVID e-pass. If any e-pass is asked by the police authority or any kind of administration authority to facilitate you move from one place to another place during the time of lockdown, then in that case you don't have to gather or receive any kind of e-pass from any kind of administration or police authority, but your admit card which you will be able to download will work as e-pass. So you don't need to have any other thing, and on your admit card it will be written clearly that is going to be e-pass for your to facilitate your movement on the day of examination or before that. Staggered entry of the candidates at the test centers. It is observed on the day of examination, you see crowd gets created at the location of entry. So what NV is doing to avoid that entry, avoid that crowd accumulated at the test seat, at the entry location, because some candidates might have COVID and it might infect, create a chance to get COVID spread due to that crowd. So it is strictly advised from NB to be present there at allotted time slot only. Don't be present there in advance, because you might face some kind of like not very space, not so much of cooperation from NB side, and nothing like you can stay there or could get some kind of space to sit there or wait for some time. So be available there on your given time only. Now fourth guideline, that is isolation lab. If any candidate is found, they will be tested using thermoguns to measure the temperature. If the temperature is found above the mark they have decided, then those candidates will be allowed to write exam. Those candidates won't be returned to their home. Those candidates will be allowed to write exam, but in a separate and isolated lab, so that the COVID-19 infection should not spread among others. And compulsory use of face mask. Once you travel to your exam center, you must have face mask, and it's mandatory. Okay, is as per the guideline. You are not allowed to carry water bottle or gloves. You need to carry only face mask you should wear face mask, and you can carry admit card, which is e-pass as well for your traveling, and all other documents required for verification on the day of examination. If you need water, they will provide bottle drinking water at the time of at your test center. They will be providing. The sixth guideline is COVID-19 protective gear safety kit. So what it is? You will carry face mask, but they will provide a kit, COVID-19 protective gear kit, and it carries a face shield. A face shield is nothing but is just to protect yourself from others by applying some other bigger higher protective measure than face mask. So you will be wearing face mask. On top of that, you have to wear a face shield. So they will provide a kit which will contain face shield, face mask, and 5 hand sanitizer sachets. So you can use during exam time. You need to take all these things off at the time of verification. When they ask you to remove it, then only you need to remove, otherwise without permission you should not do it. After examination is done, then at the time of exit, it is observed that all the people, all the candidates start exiting at the same time. That also creates crowd. So seventh guideline is regarding that, staggered exit of candidates from test centers. Okay, so they have created some kind of their own mechanism in order to overcome it, and the exit process will take around 1 to 1.5 hours, and based on their mechanism they will call out the candidates, and they will allow few candidates first, and after those candidates are gone through the exit process from the test center, then the remaining candidate will be allowed to exit from the test centers. In that manner, they might control the staggering of the candidates at the time of exit process. Candidates are advised to refrain attending exam if they are suffering from COVID-19 or having symptom related to COVID-19, or their health is not well. But they haven't given any kind of instruction or guideline to conduct their exam later point of time. Okay, that's guideline number 9, and all the above guideline is should be followed mandatorily for all the candidates, and they should adhere to all the instruction as part of COVID-19 appropriate behavior. They might publish some other guideline. This is very specific to COVID-19 appropriate behavior. They had to publish this notice because in the market through social media it was getting hype that exam might get postponed or get cancelled. So you don't have to think in that way. You continue your studies, and as many days as is remaining, you have to focus on your study so that you can get best out of it. Okay, so that is it from my side in this video. If you have any kind of question and which is bugging you, you can definitely text me in the comment box. We will try to get it resolved as soon as possible. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care.